Help me find a way. Help me find a way. Help me find a way out the place where I might not see another day. Help me find a way. Help me find a way. Help me find a way out this place on this race and stop struggling.
SOM, the land of murdering and hustling and struggling. All lies of the morning till laws arresting and cuffing anybody out on the corners of playgrounds. Spaced out, dope feet shooting each other's brains out. Living a life of suffering is living to die for nothing. I've been on my grind disgusting, trying to live my life for something. Music or murder, that's the choice I have to get me up and out the hood, so I'ma voice my past. I tell ya, I'm trying to stay progressive. After all, my time is precious. Walk away from death infested atmospheres, but keep perspective. And I'ma never let the devil on my level. I'm a rebel, never settle for less, and I know I'm gonna move on.
Help me find a way. Help me find a way. Help me find a way out the place where I might not see another day. Help me find a way. Help me find a way. Help me find a way out this place on this race and stop struggling.
How can I forget growing up? I take a look back. Remember when I took packs and cooked crack? 6-shot in my book bag. I'm skipping school, haven't been to class in 3 months. Desk empty and teachers haven't asked for me once. I'd rather roll the cops, running my place, the street, a stovetop, knee in my back, gun in my face. Cause here in Houston, on these first word streets, you had to have the first pair of Jordans on the street. And ain't nothing changed, it's the same thing every day. Ain't no one stopping the guns from popping, the funds we clocking. Cause crackheads still looking for crack to smoke. Niggas know you can still see the cops driving back and forth.
Living with circumstances, taking penitentiary chances. Lord, can you give me a sign? Get me out of this hood life. Living with circumstances, taking penitentiary chances. Lord, can you give me a sign? Get me out of this hood life. Help me find a way. Help me find a way. Help me find a way out the place where I might not see another day.